You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Are you an artist or an art enthusiast, and you're preparing to transport your precious artwork overseas? Welcome to today's episode, where we're going to dive into the intricacies of overseas artwork shipping. Today, we're going to explore the meticulous process of safeguarding your cherished art pieces during transit. First, you have to understand the complexities. Shipping artwork abroad demands precision and care beyond conventional household item transportation. Art pieces, from paintings to sculptures, possess delicate craftsmanship and significant value, necessitating specialized handling throughout the shipping journey. Here is SDC's International Shipping commitment to you. We specialize in providing tailored solutions for shipping various types of artwork worldwide. Our dedicated team ensures the integrity of your art pieces from pickup to delivery, employing top-notch packaging techniques and customized crates designed for maximum protection. Whether you're shipping paintings, ceramics, sculptures, or even delicate textiles, SDC International Shipping offers versatile solutions to your specific artwork shipping needs. Our expertise extends to various mediums, ensuring each piece receives the individualized care it deserves. Our custom packing solutions are meticulously crafted to safeguard your artwork during transit. Utilizing advanced materials and technologies, we offer a range of protective measures, including customized cushioning materials, specialized crates, and comprehensive packaging wraps. Don't forget to secure your artwork with insurance. Despite our meticulous efforts, unforeseen circumstances can occur during transit. We offer comprehensive insurance options to safeguard your valuable artwork against loss or damage. Choose from limited risk or full risk insurance for peace of mind throughout shipping. What if you need swift and secure air freight services? Well, our air freight services offer unmatched speed and security for time-sensitive shipments. Benefits from flexible shipping options, integrated tracking services, and expert packing techniques designed to ensure the safe transit of your valuable artwork. We offer cost-effective ocean freight solutions as well. If time is not crucial, our ocean freight services provide a cost-effective shipping alternative. With custom-designed wooden crates, versatile pickup and delivery options, and comprehensive insurance coverage, your artworks are safe throughout the sea journey. We also offer assistance with custom clearance. Navigating custom regulations can be challenging, especially for artwork shipping. Our dedicated team provides individual assistance by offering guidance on custom procedures and handling all necessary paperwork for smooth custom clearance. So whether you're an artist shipping your creations overseas or an art collector relocating valuable pieces, you can trust SDC International Shipping for a seamless and worry-free artwork shipping experience. From expert packing and crating to simplified custom clearance, we're dedicated to ensuring your precious artwork reaches their destination safely and securely. We hope you enjoyed this valuable insight into overseas artwork shipping. If you're ready to entrust your artwork shipping needs to a reliable partner, contact SDC International Shipping today. Until next time, safe travels.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.